there is a huge recovery of areas of whatever, like this trade tax and all the other business. People are conducting business without any trade or without any, even they have sublet and given on rent to some other person, third party running the show without having any license from the municipality. This cannot be tolerated. This whatever revenue leakage has to be put to some, there should be, we have to find out some ways to this. So I have initiated a drive to do all the survey of entire Murungaon, so that we can we will know how many people are running the business legally, how many businesses are illegally doing, and how many extensions are there, so that if they can regularize their whatever doing, then we will impose some fine and ask, we will grant the permission. Whichever are doing illegal, we have to stop them, issue whatever notices and stop them. Illegal thing will be stopped, and whatever regularized we can do regularization, we will do the regularization and impose fines and get some revenue to the municipality. Because Vasco municipality is such a municipality, we have a big force of staff, and I am very sorry to say that we cannot give them regular payment. Staff are working for some payment. If we cannot give them payment, so what is the use of this working? So there are contract basis, there are daily wages staff are there. They have taken some very loans from the banks, and banks are running after them to pay their whatever this installment every 10th of the month. So if we are giving the salary after 25th of month, so they are getting interest, penal interest on the interest. So this is not fair. So as a last resort, I have to take some punitive action against those who are running business without any license from this municipality. And my staff, I am happy that we are getting a good response. My staff is doing a good job. They are going on the site and checking each and every establishment. And I request the public to cooperate. I had given a public notice on the newspaper to them to pay whatever dues are there by 31st of January. 31st January is coming closer. Some are paid, many are still to be paid. So after that, I will have to make some stringent action against them or stop their trade, whatever is there. This is the last resort for them to come to the municipality and make their payment. My survey is also on. This drive will continue. Thereafter, we'll assess the situation, so that this revenue leakage cannot be accepted. We have a huge target to achieve. It is outstanding amount which is due to the when public are paying regularly for the mobile phones, for the electricity, water bills every monthly. Why can't they pay? This is an annual feature. Trade tax, house tax is an annual feature. Once in a year they have to pay. Regular customers, house owner, they have to pay up to 31st of March every year, annual year. But those who are defaulters, I had given them time up to 31st of January. I appeal to all the public once again, those who are doing this, please come forward and pay the whatever dues are there. So municipality is yours. We are catering to the from the cradle to the grave. So how can we help you? How can we give us justice? How can we do your work without you being payment? The salary of the 7th pay commission has gone such a high that some people are paying just 100 rupees as a house tax, and we are just doing our best to toiling hard to recover this thing. We are spending more than 100 rupees to recover the 100 rupees. This is not fair. Public should also understand that this is municipality and you also pay regularly on time.